In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme of your Samsung phone. This is a great way to personalize your device and make it truly your own. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You can easily find it by looking for the gear-shaped icon on your home screen or within your app drawer. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your phone, so it's a good idea to become familiar with it. Once you have settings open, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Themes or Wallpaper and Style. This section is where you can access a wide range of visual customization options for your device. From here, you'll be able to explore different themes that can transform the look and feel of your phone's interface. Now tap on Themes. This will take you to the Galaxy Themes store, where you can browse an extensive collection of themes. Each theme offers a unique combination of icons, colors, and menus to give your phone a fresh appearance. Browsing through these themes can be quite enjoyable, as you get to see how each one changes the overall aesthetic of your phone. Take your time to browse through the available themes. You'll find a variety of designs, ranging from minimalistic to vibrant and everything in between. When you find a theme that catches your eye, tap on it. This will open a detailed view where you can see previews of how the theme will look on your device. Next, if the theme is free, you'll see a download button. If it's a paid theme, you'll see the price instead. Tap on the appropriate option to proceed. It's worth noting that investing in a paid theme can be a great way to support designers and get access to premium content. Once you've made your choice, the theme will start downloading to your phone. After the download is complete, tap on Apply. This is the moment when your phone will transform with the new theme. You'll notice changes in icons, colors, and menus, giving your device a fresh and personalized appearance. This step is crucial because it allows you to fully experience the new look and feel of your phone. With that ready, take a moment to explore your newly themed phone. Notice how the icons have changed, bringing a new personality to your device. You'll also see variations in color schemes, which can make everyday tasks feel fresh and exciting. Changing your theme is a simple yet effective way to breathe new life into your phone. At this point, you should see a confirmation appear on your screen, indicating that the theme has been successfully applied. This reassurance lets you know that everything is set up correctly. If you're not happy with the theme, don't worry. You can always return to the Galaxy Theme store and try out a different one. And that's it! You've successfully changed the theme on your Samsung phone. This small customization can make a big difference in how you experience your device daily. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you want a new look or feel. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your newly personalized phone.